On this channel, I review different trading strategies. I code these strategies and I also complete them with various settings. Each strategy contains advanced options, including multiple stop types, multi-time frame filters, free risk, trailing stops, and more. You can have all of them completely free. Our channel is highly recommended to all traders because I take viral trading strategies from around the world. I will add a lot of features and options to them and make them available for free exclusively to our channel members. The strategies we review in our channel are often some of the most popular strategies on YouTube, and I analyze them, test them, and turn them into practical, ready-to-use, and completely free strategies. You can set alerts and apply other customizations all for free, and test these strategies across various currency pairs and time frames. If you're trading with your personal strategy and you'd like your own strategy to be coded, or you want to create or improve any other indicator or strategy, feel free to contact me on my Telegram. Link to the page related to this free strategy is below the video, and you can just click the link, go to the page, and hit add to favorites. This way the strategy will be added to your list and always accessible. Every week, I release 1 or 2 fully automated advanced new strategies. I hope these free strategies help you become a more successful and profitable traders. Now let's dive into the video and let me show you this new strategy in detail. Well, this is the strategy that we're going to review today. The name of the video is This Simple MACD Trading Strategy Made 301,000%. Well, now we're going to code this strategy and getting automatic backtest. Let's go to the chart. Here's a brief explanation about this strategy. Okay, this strategy contains 2 indicators. The first one is MACD indicator and the other one is EMA cloud indicator. Well, he used these 2 indicators and we're gonna add these 2 indicators to the chart. Okay, hit the indicator tab up here and we need to add first indicator, the popular MACD, moving average convergence divergence. We add this one to the chart. And now the second indicator I'm gonna add to the chart is simple 2 EMA cloud. We also add this one to the chart. Okay. Now in MACD settings, we're not gonna change anything. Just leave the default settings to stay, okay? And for EMA settings, we need to change the slow EMA to 200 and the fast EMA to 20. And here's the style tab, and we turn off all these here. Just keep the background here and let me change it to red to make sure it's more visible on the chart. These are the only 2 indicators that we need to use for this strategy. Actually, it is a quite simple strategy. Okay, now let's see what are the entry conditions in this strategy. First, we need our fast EMA to be above and more than the slow EMA. It means that we have an uptrend. So this is our first condition. And our second condition is for candle to be closed above the cloud, above this red cloud here. The next condition is having a crossover between MACD line and signal line. And this cross needs to be below the 0 line. If we consider this line as a 0 line, so our cross needs to be below this line. Okay, now here in the chart we have a crossover here, and that is also below 0 line, and we see candle closed above EMA cloud, so we have a long position here. Well, we enter a long position at the open of the next candle here on this candle. We place our stop loss on last recent swing low, and we have 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Okay, these are the conditions to take a long position. Now let's go to find other examples of entry signals in the chart. Well, here we have a crossover that is also below the zero line, and as you can see, this candle closed above the EMA cloud. So we have another entry signal here for long position. We enter at the open of the next candle, this candle here. The stop loss placement is on last recent swing low, and the target is 1 to 2 risk to reward ratio. Well, these are two examples of entering the long positions. And now let's see the conditions for the short position. It is exactly opposite of the long position. And let's find an example. We need to see a cross under between MACD line and signal line. And here we have a cross under here. And it's above zero line, and the candle needs to be closed under EMA cloud. So we have one candle here. And the fast EMA needs to be below slow EMA. Here our cross under is above the zero line, as I said, so we have a confirmation on this red candle, and then at the open of the next candle we take short position. We place our stop on last recent swing high, and we have a 2 to 1 risk to reward ratio. Well, these are our conditions and rules for short position. Well, before we run into my coded strategy, let me tell you that if you are interested to have this strategy, or maybe my VIP strategies, or if you want your own specific strategy to be coded by me, or if you want to review a video and to coding the strategy of that video that you see on YouTube or anywhere else, just contact me on my Telegram. I put the link in description below. Alright, I coded this strategy and this is it. You see, it took the exact same positions in the chart where we had all the conditions. And also you see other examples, and these are our entry points that contains all the conditions. And my coded strategy entered exactly at the same entry positions. So I'm gonna turn off the previous strategy now. We have all the settings here that we need for this strategy, and I explained it. These are our input settings. We have 200 and here 20. And we have default MACD settings. And we tick this one to show MACD line cross above or below zero line to take long or short position. Now let's see the results and profit gain. Well, you see this currency in 1 hour time frame have a nice upward movement and a good profit and a sort of acceptable drawdown in this currency. And you can see that this was a profitable strategy in this time frame and in this currency. Let's see if we can make it more profitable with some changes in the settings. Okay, if I turn off this MACD line condition, let's see what's gonna happen. It increased the profit just a little bit, and because of the big distance between the last swing high and our entry point, and also the stop and take profit placement, it doesn't easily have take profit or stop. Now let's get back to the settings and change something else. For example, if I activate the trail stop to gain profit in this kind of situation in the chart, you see the profit percentage increased. The exit settings for take profit and trail stop is changeable. And we can also change the risk to reward amount in the settings, and for example we can choose 3 for risk to reward. You see 297 turned into 313%, so it increased our profit. Now we have a good profit and an optimized drawdown. As you know, we can also backtest many different currencies at the same time. For example, let's see what happens in this currency. It's called AVAX, and you see it is still profitable. This strategy is coded accurately and you can see the results for any other currencies. If you would like to have this strategy, or you want to have my VIP strategies, or you like a video with a new strategy in YouTube to be reviewed and coded, send me a message in my Telegram and all the links are in description below this video. Well, now we change the time frame. And as you can see, it's still a profitable strategy. Okay guys, this strategy is recommended and it's actually a good strategy with acceptable win rate and net profit percentage. And we can backtest it in many different currencies, and also you can add or remove any other filters in the settings. For example, you can activate free risk or compounding. Also, you are able to filter the date and time. You can use different EMA filters to enter position. And also you are able to use RSI filters, and also you can turn on the standard candle filter here. And we have also multi-time frame Ichimoku filters and also multi-time frame MACD, and many other setting options that you can use to increase the profit and gain better results. Have a good time!